Get ready for the next revolution in gaming technology. Guerilla Games co-founder Arjan Brussee is dropping massive news, revealing he is developing a brand new game engine called the Unveils engine, designed to be Europe's answer to the industry giant Unreal Engine. This isn't just another engine. It's a fully European-built platform aiming to challenge the dominance of US and Chinese solutions on the global stage. We dive deep into how this project is being architected with full integration of artificial intelligence to completely rethink foundational software.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, we look at the powerhouse behind this ambitious project. Arjan Brussee, the former Epic Games top manager and Guerilla Games co-founder, is the driving force pushing the Unveils engine forward. He's not just talking about a new tool, he's talking about creating a system built entirely in Europe, compliant with local rules and standards, which opens massive doors beyond just video games. Discover the vision behind how this engine could transform logistics, defense simulations, and 3D construction projects across the continent. We are talking about the game-changing technology itself. Arjan Brussee has made it clear that the Unveils engine is fundamentally different because it ditches the old way of manual menu clicking. Instead, it leverages AI agents that function as modular components, allowing developers to build complex systems instantly. This shift, he argues, is crucial because the rise of generative AI demands that we approach software development with far more automation, promising to do the work of up to 15 people. Finally, we wrap up with the bigger picture. This move by Arjan Brussee signals a major push for European technological independence in the software space. Whether the Unveils engine becomes the next dominant force or not, its ambition to be a fully European alternative to Unreal and Unity is setting a new benchmark for how major tech platforms will compete. Don't miss out on these game-changing developments. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more deep dives into the future of tech. Guerilla Games co-founder Arjan Brussee is set to launch a significant challenge to industry giants by developing a new European game engine, dubbed the Unveils engine, aiming to compete directly with the globally dominant Unreal Engine. During a recent appearance on the Dutch podcast, De Technologue, in May 2026, Brussee detailed his new venture, positioning it as a fully European-built graphics rendering platform designed to rival technologies from the United States and China. The Unveils engine is conceptualized not just geographically, but architecturally, incorporating a full integration of artificial intelligence. Brussee believes this technological shift allows for a fundamental rethinking of foundational software, including game engines. Unlike traditional frameworks that rely on manual tool navigation, Unveils will utilize AI agents as modular components. This architecture is intended to streamline development, allowing users to easily integrate new systems without needing to overhaul an entire monolithic structure. Beyond gaming, Brussee indicated the platform's versatility, suggesting applications in sectors requiring strict European regional data compliance, such as logistics and 3D simulations for defense agencies. Brussee's background lends credibility to this ambition. He began his programming career in the 1990s working on Epic Games, Jazz Jackrabbit series, before co-founding Guerilla Games in 2003. His extensive experience includes 9 years as executive producer and COO of Guerilla Games, as well as a tenure at Epic Games in 2017, where he held roles including head of mobile, director of product management, and technical director. Former Epic Games top manager and Guerilla Games co-founder Arjan Brussee has unveiled the Unveils engine, a new game engine positioned as a significant European competitor to industry giants like Unreal Engine and Unity. Reported by Video Games Chronicle, Brussee stated during a recent De Technologue podcast that the entire project will be hosted and developed within Europe, adhering strictly to European regulations and standards. Brussee, a Dutch developer with a deep industry background, previously held significant roles at Epic Games, including working on Jazz Jackrabbit in the 1990s, and serving as the global director of product management for Unreal Engine from 2018 to 2026. He is also a co-founder of Guerilla Games, known for titles like Killzone and Horizon, and Boss Key Productions, which developed Lawbreakers. Returning to independent development in the Netherlands, Brussee is spearheading the creation of the Unveils engine, aiming to offer a distinct European alternative to the dominant American and Chinese engine solutions. He believes this initiative holds broader implications beyond gaming, suggesting potential applications in defense, logistics, and construction sectors. The engine is designed not only for games, but also to create realistic three-dimensional environments for practical, real-world tasks, with European compliance facilitating adoption in state and municipal projects. Brussee emphasized the critical role of artificial intelligence in the engine's development. He noted that a well-structured system of AI agents could potentially handle the workload of 10 to 15 personnel, anticipating that integrating such agents into the development pipeline will substantially decrease the reliance on human resources. While the engine's future integration of built-in AI tools remains to be seen, the focus on AI integration signals a forward-thinking approach to the technology. Former Epic Games technical director and co-founder of Guerilla Games, Arjan Brussee, has unveiled the Unveils engine, which he is positioning as a European alternative to dominant US-developed game engines like Unreal and Unity. Brussee is emphasizing the engine's heavy integration of generative artificial intelligence and suggesting potential applications within the defense industry for simulation and training. The announcement comes amidst growing discussions in the UK and across Europe regarding their economic and military reliance on the United States. Brussee's stated goal for the Unveils engine is to provide a solution that is fully European-hosted, built by Europeans, and complies with European rules and guidelines, aligning with broader efforts to strengthen local technology sectors. Brussee also stressed the necessity of a paradigm shift in software development due to the rise of AI, advocating for increased automation to reduce manual processes. He suggested that skilled developers could leverage AI agents to achieve the output of significantly larger teams. While Brussee is promoting the engine's potential, the report notes that the timeline for its release and its direct competitive impact against established engines like Unreal and Unity remains unclear, especially since both platforms are already incorporating generative AI technologies. The development signals an attempt to foster a distinct, regionally focused approach to high-end game engine creation. Guerilla Games co-founder and former Epic Games developer, Arjan Brussee, is developing a new game engine aimed at the European market. Following his tenure as Global Director of Product Management on Unreal Engine at Epic Games, Brussee announced the project after speaking to the Dutch podcast De Technologue. He stated that the goal of this new engine, dubbed the Unveils engine, is to create a platform that is entirely hosted in Europe, developed by Europeans, and compliant with European regulations and laws, offering a significant alternative to engines predominantly built in the US and China. Brussee emphasized that the development of 3D worlds is expanding beyond gaming, citing its importance for various other applications. A key feature of the Unveils engine will be the full integration of artificial intelligence tools from the foundational level. He contrasted this approach with traditional engine development, noting that current tools often require extensive menu navigation for changes. Brussee believes that by implementing a strong framework of AI agents, developers can achieve the output of a large team, potentially accomplishing the work of 10 to 15 people. This initiative comes amid the ongoing evolution of game engine technology, where established platforms like Unreal Engine and Unity Engine dominate the market, alongside alternatives such as the open-source Godot. The move towards AI-driven development signals a fundamental shift in how crucial software is approached. For context, Epic Games recently updated Unreal Engine to enhance performance, focusing on maintaining 60 FPS in open-world games with high visual fidelity and integrating tools like MetaHuman, Creator directly into the software for a more streamlined creative workflow. Brussee's vision for the immense engine is set to redefine the development landscape by prioritizing European infrastructure and advanced AI integration.